I'm a homeowner, so rather than replacing the batteries on my keypad,
I get out of the house like this.
I'm a homeowner. I zip tied the emergency release shut on my door, and now my family can't get out in an actual emergency. I'm a homeowner, so I've never programmed the garage door feature that I paid for on my car, and instead just clipped this button to my visor. I'm a homeowner. I've spray painted all the moving parts of my garage door just for the aesthetic. I'm a homeowner, so I've never realigned my safety eyes, but I have stood here for the last 5 years to hold this button to get my door closed. I'm a homeowner. I've never changed the battery on my remote, but I can't figure out why it only works when I'm standing this close to the door.